guys, it's Hi5 Trainer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a paper face mask. So let's get straight into it. This is a surgical mask. It is most commonly used. This is an N95 respirator. This is used for virus protection. Today we're going to make this type of mask but using paper. So to make the paper mask, first you need a paper. I'm using 20 centimeters by 16 centimeters. And then you need some elastic bands. And then a stapler. So the first step is to fold your paper like this. And then drag it and fold it. And then you have to fold it like this. And then drag it and fold it on the other side again. And then fold it again. And then drag it and fold it again. And then fold it again. And then drag it and fold it again. And then fold it on the other side. This is how it should look after you've finished your folding. The next step is to fold the sides in. And the other side. The next step is to staple your foldings. So and then you have to attach your elastics to the mask. So you can either use glue or you can use a stapler. In this case I'm using a stapler. I just stapled 4 sides and this is how the finished mask should look like. So you can extend your mask or you can put it in this normal shape. You can use this mask at home if you don't have any other, so it can give you some protection. Thank you for watching. Hope you and your family will overcome this pandemic. If you like this video, please subscribe.